guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey if you're new. Today's video, yes, you're probably wondering why I have half a face on. Then again, it doesn't look too bad. Today I'm going to be reviewing a brow product and I have never heard of this brand before. So I'm actually halfway through doing like a couple of TikToks. I'm halfway through doing my face so that I can do other videos. I'm kind of all over the place today, but I thought that this was a good time because this is normally when I would stop to do my brows. This is a good time to sort of just do this video. Multitask. Gotta multitask. When you work full time, you have to kind of learn how to multitask. So if this video was cut up quite a lot and I sound really nasally, that's because I am sick. I live in Scotland, it's stormy outside, it's wet, it's cold, I'm really not well. I can't hear out of this ear just now, so I hope that I'm not shouting. But yeah, if I've got to like cut out, I'm cutting out me coughing, me sniffing, shit that you just don't need to hear. So this is what I'm going to be reviewing today. It is the Beautiful Brows Duo Brow Kit. I think they're called Beautiful Brows and Lashes. I'll put their kind of information below so that you can go and check them out if you so wish. But this, I was in Glasgow the other weekend with my mum and my sister and my sister-in-law, and we went to a thing called Girls' Day Out in the SECC. This is somewhere where you can, like, it's like lots of different brands will go in and you can go and purchase from them at discounted prices, and you can kind of like have Prosecco and you can have cocktails and stuff like that. It's supposed to be like exactly what it says, a girls' day out. And the first booth that we got pulled into when we went in was this one, and they asked if I wanted, or if any of us wanted, eyebrows. And I didn't have any makeup on because we'd literally just arrived in Glasgow because it took us a while to get there and our hotel room wasn't ready, so I couldn't even go and change. So I was like, yes, please put eyebrows on me. Not really expecting the world or anything like that, and to be honest, I thought that they actually looked really cool. Like, it wasn't like the most chiseled brow I'd ever had in my life, but it took like 30 seconds. So I was intrigued and I waited and we went back at the end, and I actually ended up getting it primarily for work because I do obviously beauty and I do eyebrows, kind of, not HD eyebrows, but like brow definition, sort of the same thing. So I thought, I wonder if they would do like a professional kit. They didn't have the professional kit, but they gave me a really, really good deal on this kit. These retail at £30, and this is the box that it comes in. And you get this little thing here. So essentially what it is it's a brow powder. And you open it up like that, you've got the brow powder here. Normally you would have the highlighter shade. That's it there, down here. But I've replaced it with just another brow powder because it's just easier for me. I don't really use the highlighter. And then it comes with a little pair of tweezers and a little comb and a little brush. Actually, it comes with two little brushes. It comes with a dual-ended one. One end is that sort of typical eyebrow pencil, and the other end is sort of like a wee blending brush. And the other one is just this little sort of mini brush here. I really like this one, so it's like that. So yeah, it comes as well with these. Yes, I know we all either love or loathe brow stencils, but these, it seems, are like, there's some really nice shapes in here. So I'm going to kind of demonstrate what they did on me and tell you my thoughts on this product, and then yeah, apparently. So before, a little disclaimer before we go any further, apparently this is supposed to last either 24 or 48 hours. There is conflicting things. At the show they told us 48, but then when you go on the website it says 24. It says that it's sweat resistant, smudge resistant, stuff like that. It does actually smudge, but see if you leave your brows alone, this will stay on all day. I like washed my entire face and left my eyebrows on and it was still there the next day. So I do think there's some truth in that, but I think that they kind of do over exaggerate. And obviously you're not really getting a special price because these retail at £30. I think that I never would have bought it unless I'd seen the results it gave, because sometimes I just don't want to do my eyebrows. You know, sometimes, I mean, look at the state of mine. I actually have a video coming soon. I don't know if it'll be up already. If it is, I'll link it up here for you, but I am going to laminate my own brows. Yes, I'm going to try it. I am not trained in it, but I'm trained in lash lifting and it's the same kind of process. So if you want to see that, hopefully it'll be up there for you. Please pray for my eyebrows. Okay, so I have in here, I got every shade. So I have light brown and medium brown, dark brown and chocolate. The one thing I didn't realise was they do duo pans. I thought that they were all kind of separate pans like this one. This is, oh, which one is this? Slate. So, I mean, I've already been using it. I already do like it, so I just thought that I would share it with you guys, because these things happen all over the country, and I'm sure, I don't know if this is a global brand, but I'm sure it happens in other countries as well, but all over, you know, you'll have like these sort of days out, and these people seem to go to a lot of them, a lot of different shows, so this will give you an idea like whether or not you want to, whether you're still walking around and you're searching for reviews before you buy it, or you're back at home and you're thinking, damn, maybe I should have bought that, or you're going and you know they're going to be there. I've been talking for way too long, let's just get into this. So, you've got all these different stencils. So you've got bold and straight, natural straight, bold, sleek, and sleek straight. So I can't remember which one I used. Yeah, I'm going to go for natural. So, I hope that you can see me. I'm just going to place the stencil on, like so. I'm going to take my little brush if I can find it, and I'm using dark brown and chocolate. I go kind of into just both, and you just literally like wiggle. I know this sounds ridiculous, I know it looks ridiculous because look at the state of me. It is kind of hard to hold it on yourself, but what you want to do is just sort of, I don't know, wiggle it on, buff it on essentially. And I was not holding out hope for this product. I'm hoping it's going to work now. There we go. Voila! Okay, so essentially I have got a brow on, and it literally was that quick. Now, if you want to go in and refine it a little bit, I just take my brush. To be honest, I'm not really a fan of this brush. I'm going to take my own brush. It's a lot thinner, and I'm just going to perfect the top edge, because one or the other edge isn't going to work the best, because when you hold it onto your eyebrow, one bit will stick down better than the other. That's the only thing that annoys me about it. Is, I mean, I would never have thought of using a stencil. It's not really my thing, and like when you use stencils, I just tend to find that you get like, I don't know, really random shapes, but I really like that natural one. So, that is one brow done. How easy, how quick was that? I mean, pretty good. So I'm going to do the other side, just to show you that it wasn't a fluke. It might have been a fluke. You can always rub off if it doesn't, you know, come out with the actual shape that you want. You can always like rub bits off. It's harder for me because I can't hold the stencil very well. So I do like the front and then. Okay, so you can see that that one's sitting like higher. That's because my brow sits higher. But this gives me a chance to show you what to do if like the stencil slips or it doesn't quite sit right or that. You can go in with the powder and just use it like a normal brow powder. So like you do the bulk of your brow with the powder and then kind of fix it with like that. I don't know, I mean, they aren't perfect. They really aren't perfect, but for a quick brow, and you don't have to use like such a dark shade. I'm obviously doing my full face today, so I want them quite dark, but you can use a lighter shade. I have no idea, I will admit, what the highlighter's for. I really don't. Like a pretty highlighter, I suppose you could use it to highlight your brow bone, but I don't see why you would need it. If you're somebody who does your eyebrows every single day and you're sick to death of them taking so long, or you know you want something to sort of help and make it quicker, this kit is definitely really good. Or if you're somebody who really struggles doing your eyebrows, this kit is great. Like if you really struggle getting your eyebrows on, or if you struggle with like the shape, or you know they just take you forever, really great wee kit. I mean, I'm sure there's other people that do exactly the same thing. It's something that I've never really been interested in before, but for work I thought that it would be great because obviously I can do now a brow definition and make my life a hell of a lot easier, and just like get the bulk of it on and then tweak the shape for the person, or show people through like if you're a professional, you can actually lay these on people and show them the different sort of shapes, if you know what I mean. Like you can lay it on their face and see what it would look like before you draw it on, kind of thing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's the bulk of this video was me gibbering on at the start before I even tried it. I think you'll find that since I actually started doing my eyebrows, it really didn't take that long. So I think that, I mean, I don't really have anything else to say. I think that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video or you found it somewhat helpful, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. But if you enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up for me, subscribe to my channel. I post videos 3 times a week, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. On a different note, well, if there's ever anything that you want to see from me, whether it's a review of a product or a tutorial with a palette or something like that, always just leave it in the comment section below. I like getting requests from you guys, but that is it. So I will see you guys next time. Bye!